With just install data, you can see that a company uses a technology. But what you also need to know is, are they spending $50,000 or $50 million? That's the difference between a transactional sale and a platform deal. HG Insight's IT spend data shows you what's possible, so you stop chasing accounts that can't afford you and start prioritizing the ones that can. Let's get started. Say you're selling into a specific category. Instead of just filtering on who has a tool in that category installed, filter directly on estimated IT spend in that category. Right away, we're not looking at a list of companies with a checkbox next to a technology. We're looking at companies ranked by actual dollars flowing into this category. Bottom-up spend estimates built from HG's modeling across 140 plus IT spend categories. Not a top-down industry average applied evenly across every account. Here's the market. 10,000 companies with $1.2 billion in estimated spend in this category. You can break that spend down by segment, revenue, industry, or geography to see where the dollars actually concentrate. This is the difference between the market is big and here's exactly where the money is. If you're prioritizing territories or building a target list, this is what tells you where to point the team first. Now overlay competitive install data on top of that spend view. See which accounts are spending in this category but aren't running a competitor's product yet. IT spend data identifies companies that have budget and can actually buy. For competitive displacement targeting, find companies spending aggressively in your spend category that uses a competitor. Spend tells you whether this is a full displacement opportunity or a budget you could be splitting. Technology install data tells you who to talk to. Spend data tells you how big the conversation is worth and where the real budget is sitting. IT spend data's combination of do they have it and how much are they spending is what sharpens prioritization. That's what makes Market Analyzer's account and territory prioritization defensible and not just directional.